Adventure Club. Today we're going to be visiting Nairobi, Kenya. Yes. Do you want to join us? Come on, let's go. Kenya is in East Africa and is located near the tallest mountain in all of Africa. It's called Mount Kilimanjaro, and there's even snow up there. In addition to beautiful people, Kenya is home to lots of savanna animals. The famous Maasai nomadic tribe lives here also. Come on, let's go on a safari. Look, I see some elephants. And over there, I see hippos. And look at that warthog. And look at that lion pride. Those giraffes are so tall. It's the wildebeest migration season. Watch out! Fun fact, the two official languages of Kenya are English and Swahili. Did you know that the Swahili alphabet doesn't use two of the letters that we use in English? Can you guess which ones they are? Q and X. Sorry, guys. Jambo means hello. It's time to say Jambo to our friends at the Agape School in Kibera. Miss Rose and her class are going to sing us a famous Kenyan song that will help us learn some words in Swahili. You can dance and sing along.
Jambo, OmoBerry friends. Welcome to Agape Hope for Kibera. Jambo, jambo sana, habari gani? Nzuri sana, wageni wakaribishwa, nchi yetu hakuna matata. Kenya nchi yetu hakuna matata. Kenya nchi yetu hakuna matata. Kenya nchi yetu hakuna matata.
So much fun! Let's go interview some of the kids. Hi, what's your name?
Clarence Salam.
What's your favorite thing about Kenya?
Because it's beautiful.
What's your name?
Kaswamsa.
And what's your favorite thing about Kenya?
Because it has good weather.
My name is Gift Sylvia. I love Kenya because it has big mountain like Mount Kilimanjaro.
My name is Melissa Rachel. I love Kenya because it has tourist attractions.
Let me show you some of our favorite places in Kenya. Kezie's favorite place was the Giraffe Center, where we got to feed the giraffes from way up high. Kezie's other favorite place was the Mamba Village Crocodile Center, where Mr. Peter, our guide, jumped into the crocodile enclosure to show us how hard crocodiles can snap their ferocious jaws. I sure hope those crocs aren't hungry. Folks, please, don't try this at your local zoo. Imani's favorite place was the Baby Elephant Orphanage, where she got splattered with mud by the playful elephant. She said it was her best day ever, even though she didn't quite find her favorite thing. Worms. Nandi's favorite place was the Kazuri Bead Factory, where men and women from the city of Nairobi and village men and women from the Maasai tribe worked together to turn materials from the earth into beautiful beads. Amazing! Can you believe that this mud, plus some creativity, plus 1,000 degrees in a hot kiln, can create these beautiful beads? Look at all those colors and shapes. So I guess you roll it and poke it and make it all pretty, and then put it in the kiln for Nandi and me. So cool! Nandi bought so many amazing necklaces and bracelets. Right now, they're singing and dancing to celebrate a long day's work. Hey, I know that song. As for me, in Nkosi, my favorite spot was right here, with all of you at the Agape School in Kibera. I'm going to miss you guys. Bye!
Bye, OmoBerry friends. We love you. Mwah.
But wait, we're not done yet. Make sure you practice your Swahili. Jambo means hello. Habari gani means how are you. Mazuri Zana means very well. And asante means thank you. And to learn even more Swahili, you can find this great book at your local library or bookstore. It's called Jambo Means Hello by Muriel Feelings and Tom Feelings. Have a nice time reading. And most importantly, if you would like to donate or volunteer with the kids at the Agape School in Kibera, please contact them here. Thanks for joining us on our epic adventure to Nairobi, Kenya. Until next time. Knock, knock. Who's there? Lionel. Lionel who? The lion will run and hide if you keep making noise in this safari. Now please hide! Oh, hi friends! Thank you for watching and singing along. Make sure to subscribe so you can be first in line to watch your next episode. You can join our fan club too. To get cool stuff like what I'm wearing, visit our online store at OmoBerry.com. If you want to get your artwork featured in our episodes, tell your grown-up to contact us today. See you soon!